We've been seeing and hearing such a great amount about the Samsung Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus that you would surmise that the gadget is going to be discharged. Utilizing renders of the up-and-coming Leader Show, an organization in China has delivered a knockoff of the Galaxy S9. Not at all like the vertically mounted single focal point camera and unique mark scanner that will be found on the back of Galaxy S9. This clone includes a double camera setup on back, like what we will supposedly discover on the back of the Galaxy S9 Plus. The clone, made by Vkworld, conveys the deceptive model number of S9. It will be estimated for not as much as what the genuine Galaxy S9 will cost, yet it features a substantially bigger 5000 mAh battery. It additionally duplicates the genuine Galaxy S9's thin bezels and 18:9 viewpoint proportion. The Vkworld S9's 5.99-inch show has a 2K determination and the MediaTek Helio X30 is in the engine. This chipset utilizes a deca-core outline. 6GB of RAM is inside alongside 128GB of local stockpiling. Anticipated that would dispatch next spring, the Vkworld S9 will be estimated at $300. All alone, this sounds like a decent arrangement thinking about the specs. Be that as it may, once you toss in the quantity of individuals you can trap into trusting that you purchased the Galaxy S9, this clone may have more an incentive to the extent you're concerned.